Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out these practice hands that I got from Amazon. I will link them in the description box. I also am doing a giveaway, so one of you guys will win one of these hands. I'll put the details in the description. But these are the results from the hands that I made in my last video. I made several of them, so I'm going to show you the 3 that I made. I know they look scary looking, but practice makes perfect. I will have another video coming up because I finally got it down, and I'll show y'all my new ones. They came out so much better. But anyways, with these practice hands, I tried out some of the Acrylic tips, Gel X tips, and they didn't really fit because they're too tapered. So I decided, I watched Femi, I'll put her in the description box as well, and I saw her put acrylic down on the nail beds and then work like that. So I just wanted to show y'all. I tried to find a color as close as possible to her skin tone, but looking at it now, it looks a little too dark. But I did come back and I added a lighter pink tone on top, and I'll show that at the very end to kind of balance out and give her nail beds a more nude color tone. So I will come back in a couple of days and I'm going to start working with this because sometimes I don't really feel like doing my nails. So this is just to have some stuff to practice on. So I am using that no odor monomer that I love. It is a little liquidy, but I love the fact that I don't smell anything in my house. So I'll also put that in the description box. But that's pretty much it. As far as the giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment your IG in the comment section. I'll announce the winner very, very soon. So if you have not already done it, go ahead and thumbs up this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.